Top 5 best PCs of 2025 in just 60 seconds. Which PCs are the most powerful in 2025? Let's find out in just 1 minute. First, Alienware Aurora R16. Intel i9-14900KF plus RTX 4090 plus 64GB DDR5 RAM. A gaming beast. Second, Apple Mac Studio M3 Ultra. The best for video editing and 3D modeling. Apple M3 Ultra plus 128GB RAM plus 8TB SSD. Third, MSI Infinite RS13, i9-14900K plus RTX 4080 Ti, outstanding cooling and performance. Fourth, Razer Tomahawk, compact yet powerful, i7-14700K plus RTX 4070 Ti. Fifth, HP Omen 45L, perfect for gaming and professional work, i9-14900HX plus RTX 4080 plus 64GB DDR5, RAM. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. If you liked the video, hit like and follow for more updates.